Welcome to another video. Today I show you how to use the magic mask feature in DaVinci Resolve to do color grading separate from background to foreground. So let's check the desktop. Okay, so I have DaVinci Resolve open here with the timeline ready to use, and as you see the background is a bit bluish, which I don't care actually about. The background is a bit bluish, and it's the same now. It's light from outside in the background there, and then the camera here has its own separate light. So that's why it's like this. So to use the magic mask feature, I separated the clip. The clip I want to use this on is here. Okay, so that's not the... Okay, this is the clip. Okay, to use the magic mask feature, I have to isolate the area where I want the clip to be actually got my headphones on. Okay, so to use this area of the clip, I can try to isolate I only want to see a specific part of it. So I'm turning from the beginning now. The hands are gonna be a bit of a problem here. So Control B to separate these two clips. I go into the color tab and click on the first clip. Don't know why I can't. For example, or okay. I want to show you how to blur objects in DaVinci Resolve, like my face, for example. Okay, so we have this clip ready, and I want to do something, apply some filters, maybe blur the background. For example, I want to try to blur the background, and I want to make it look nice. Can't use a box blurs or any, I mean, I could use a circle around the head, but it wouldn't look very nice. So there is this feature. So we have here, I could apply a circle. I could apply this effect to the circle, but it's not really what I wanted. So to get to the magic mask, you go to this button here, this one. Okay, we are on the magic mask tab, and here is where the magic is for the mask. You have this picker tool with plus means you add to the mask, with the minus you subtract the mask from the mask, and then you have the mask overlay, which will show you the actual results of the mask, where the area is. So to use the magic mask, really all I have to do is just a basic drawing around the face, and look, it's already highlighted. If you don't see the highlight, it's because you have the toggle mask overlay off. The overlay really helps to get an idea of where the mask is. And if you want to subtract from the mask, you press the Alt key, hold down the Alt key, and let's add to the shoulders here and a bit of the neck, and without the microphone. So I have the microphone here and I don't want to add that, and I press the Alt key and it removed the microphone, or even a little bit here. Also, if you want better quality, on this tab here, instead of faster, where you see faster here, you press on better, and it will make the mask better. Okay, so this is what we have so far, and if I wanted to remove the shoulders, for example, I would press the Alt key, or you click on the picker tool for minus here, it's the same thing. It's a bit contradicting with each other now. So I could even move these around, and I could even delete the ones I had before. So I could put with a minus, something like this. But actually this is not what I wanted. So let me delete quickly all these excluding areas. The nice thing is that you can actually change your mind during the... So I go to plus and add the shoulder also. So I have a basic selection for the mask, and now I need to track it forward. Here, this is the button, I'm clicking the empty space so you see where it is, and I press track forward. And you see it's going slowly but surely. And now we already see a problem with the hand, so that's why I was saying that the hand is going to be a problem. So I want to add the hand as soon as it shows up in the frame. Okay, so I added the hand there, and let's try now to track forward. I'm gonna try to add this part here, and I don't know if... Okay, let's try now. Okay, seems to be working. It's getting the hand every time when it's coming back, and even the other hand. Okay, I think we're good with this one. Looks all green. So any part that is missing, okay, let's track forward a little bit. Let's see. The red area here shows that there's a problem, so it means you need to look at it more. Blue is okay. So while it's tracking, looks like blue is fine. Maybe I was going to be able to track backwards with the hand. Not sure about that. I don't know, it doesn't seem to work. Okay, so I think we got it. Okay, now that I have this mask, I can go to the filters, to the library of filters, and add a lens blur effect. And if you notice, the lens blur effect goes onto my face, but actually that's not a problem. If you notice let's undo. I add the lens blur effect, and if you notice, it goes onto my face, but this is not a problem, because actually in the magic mask here, you can actually swap the area. So I selected my face, my head and shoulders. I selected myself, but you can invert the mask, basically, mask inversion. And also here you can toggle the mask overlay so it doesn't distract you from actually seeing what you're doing there. And all these settings, I wouldn't go too much with the settings, and it's a lot of options. So I just wanted to add a lens blur effect, a little bit of blur, and this is how it looks like. And I disable the overlay. Could add camera shake to the background. Let's see how this one looks like. I want to show you how to blur objects in DaVinci Resolve. My face, for example, or something. It looks a bit funny. I think really the most useful option for this is to blur the background. Really, this is This is the reason why you might want to do this, or put some text behind your head, like text in the background. But anyway, that's how it is. Hopefully this is helpful for someone and it's not gonna be too long. Hopefully it's not 1 hour already. Okay, welcome to another video. Today I show you, welcome to another video. Welcome to another video. Welcome to another video. Today I show you how to use the magic mask feature in DaVinci Resolve Studio. Welcome to another video. Today I show you how to use the magic mask feature in DaVinci Resolve or DaVinci Resolve Studio. I'm not sure if this is... Welcome